I see through all that bullshit niggas be talking.
What's the deal with y'all boys, man? I know y'all probably wonder like, Tank, why the fuck is you on this old ass camera? I ain't never in life seen anybody ever bring no like 90s aesthetic, early 2000s aesthetic to YouTube. So I got my main channel, y'all know that, Tank the Goat, got like 200,000 subs. So this is my vlog channel, just like all around. I feel like vlogging on the phone and the camera, like I'm spending too much time focusing on the video and shit like that. But when I got this, it's so like, I ain't gonna say low quality, it's so like different. You just put that motherfucker wherever your eyes go. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing on this channel and shit, man. I know y'all been wondering, Tank, where the fuck you been at, nigga? I'm here, I'm back. I got my baby girl with me, my world. You know.
Hi, I'll play bubbles.
Let me see you blow your bubbles. That was a girl, that was a no bubble. What was that?
This is bubbles. Oh no, I'm talking.
Try one more time. Oh.
I got it.
What? Oh. Deuces. Oh, you just spilled your bubbles. All right, look. How about this? Daddy go buy you some new bubbles, okay? Hey, what's good with y'all, nigga? Here, you gotta get in the car. Come on, Daddy, we got to go get some bubbles. Gotta get some bubbles.
Bye-bye. Let me see.
That ain't no damn sea, that's a pool, girl. And we ain't coming to get this. Look. There's some bubbles right here, look. Big bubbles. Which one you want? You want green, blue, or yellow? Pick one.
Yellow.
You want yellow? Alright. Ooh. You get a lot of bubbles. This pretty hat. Here, put it in the basket.
Yeah, oh, a new bubble. Ready cups.
Ready to play?
Yeah, I'm ready to play.
I ain't gonna lie. Y'all need to start getting y'all ass up and getting outside. Stop having y'all kids live like fucking Kermit. Why you so scared? You said what?
I just saw a fish here.
You see the duckies? Look. You see them?
I just saw one here. I got it here.
See Chelsea?
Fluffy. I'm just scared, sorry.
Ain't no shark in there, girl.
Because of underwater.
Ain't no shark in that water.
Daddy, I'm scared.
You ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Go.
I like it.
Bro, what the fuck? Why is it calm over here and then rough as hell?
Oh, water.
You good? Hold on, right here. Hold on. You good? Getting her ass in nature, it's over. She ain't about to be no extra indoors ass kid. We about to be outside, I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to start taking her fishing too. Come here, baby. Throw in the water. Throw as far as you can. Throw it. What was that? You gotta throw it. Look, watch how far Daddy throw this. Ready? Look all the way. Look. See where it went in at? Throw it. Throw it far. Throw it. What the? Yeah, one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was kind of far. Shit, you got me out here on some adventurous shit now.
I'm fast. Yeah, I would do.
It's a feather coming down. That's for sure a nigga square right there. Man, we out here in the fucking nature, man. My black ass getting the hell up out of here. I got bit 45 times already. It was cool while it lasted, but yeah, we getting the fuck up out of here. We about to go get some ice cream and do some nigga things. Man, getting outside really changed your energy, cause bro, I was in the crib for so damn long. That shit was getting OD, like depressing. What are the chances? We going to get ice cream? And the fucking ice cream truck is here.